Hello everyone, this is Prasad. Welcome to my channel. In part 1, we discussed about the definition of locus and some examples. So the question is, capital A 2, 3 and B minus 3, 4 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of P. In this particular question, he is asking find the equation of locus of P. Whether he mentioned locus of P or whether he not mentioned locus of point P. అంటే కొన్ని సమ్స్ లో పాయింట్ పి అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు, కొన్ని సమ్స్ లో పాయింట్ పి అని మెన్షన్ చేయడు. వెదర్ ఈ మెన్షన్ పాయింట్ పి ఆర్ నాట్ మెన్షన్ పాయింట్ పి, వి ఆల్వేస్ టేక్ let p x comma y be any point on locus. అంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో పాయింట్ పి అని మెన్షన్ చేసినా మెన్షన్ చేయకపోయినా వి ఆల్వేస్ టేక్ పాయింట్ పి be any point on locus. This is the first sentence in every question in locus. This is the first sentence for any question in locus. So locus lo ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా ఇదే ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్, దీనికి 1 మార్క్. Next up we have to write given points. So given points are capital A 2, 3 and B minus 3, 4. Locus లో ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినా ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ Px, y is any point on locus. Next given points రాస్తాడు. After that we have to write condition. So after writing the given points we have to write the condition. The condition is area of triangle PAB is 8.5. So condition is area of triangle PAB is equal to 8.5. All of you know area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula tells me half modulus area of triangle when 3 vertices given. So half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is given as 8.5. Area of triangle formula. So half modulus x1, here 3 vertices P, A, B. So this is the order. P treat as x1, y1. P in first point కింద assume చేసుకున్నాం. Next A treat as second point x2, y2. A in second point కింద assume చేసుకున్నాం. Next at last B treat as third vertex. So 3 vertices P, A, B. So substitute all these values in formula. x1 means x. So x1 place lo x. Next in the place of y2 value how much? 3. So y2 place lo 3 minus in the place of y3 substitute 4. x2 value means x2 value is 2 into y3 minus y1. y3 value 4, y1 value y. So 4 minus y. x3 value how much? Minus 3. y1 minus y2. y1 value y, y2 value is 3. So y minus 3. It is equal to 8.5. After writing the formula, only thing we have to substitute the values. Formula రాసిన తర్వాత values జాగ్రత్తగా substitute చేయాలి. Continuation. Half modulus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 into x. Minus 1 into x means minus x. Next 2 into 4. 8. 2 into minus y. Minus 2y. Minus 3 into y. Minus 3y. Minus of minus. Minus into minus plus. So 3 3s are 9. So plus 9 is equal to 8.5. So 1 by 2 is in left hand side. Send it to that side. 2 denominator undi kadamma. Send it to that side. What happens? Multiply. 2 is in denominator. Send it to right hand side. It will be multiply. So modulus of minus x minus 2y minus 3y minus 5y 8 plus 9 17 is equal to 8.5 into 2 17. 2 denominator undi kada. Send it to right hand side. So it will be multiply. 8.5 into 2 how much? 17. Now open modulus. So modulus open cheyandi. General modulus open cheste you will get plus or minus. If you open modulus you will get plus or minus. So minus x minus 5y plus 17 is equal to plus 17 on one side minus x minus 5y plus 17 is equal to minus 17 on other side. So modulus open cheste either plus 17 or minus 17. If you open modulus you will get either plus 17 or minus 17. So minus x minus 5y plus 17. Plus 17 is in right hand side. Bring it to left hand side. 17 right side undi kadamma. Bring it to left hand side. So minus 17 is equal to 0. Or minus x minus 5y plus 17. Minus 17 is in right hand side. Bring it to left hand side. Minus 17 right hand side undi kada. Left hand side తీసుకురండి. So it becomes plus 17. So minus x minus 5y. Here plus 17 minus 17 will be cancelled. Is equal to 0. Or minus x minus 5y plus 17 how much? Plus 34 equal to 0. So here x coefficient is negative. So both sides multiply with minus. Generally x coefficient ఎప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ ఉండాలి కదా స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ లో. సో మైనస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో x plus 5y is equal to 0. Minus of minus x plus x minus of minus y plus 5y is equal to 0. Or here also x coefficient is negative. So multiply with the minus. So x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0. We got two lines. So after getting two lines, on two lines వచ్చాయి కదా, therefore combined equation. Therefore x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Is the required equation of locus of P. So always for any question in locus, this is the conclusion. After getting the equation, we have to write it is the required equation of locus of P. Like first sentence, for every sum in locus, first sentence is let P x comma y is any point on locus. Similarly, the conclusion is after getting the equation, it is the required equation of locus of P. Next question is A 1 comma 2, B 2 comma minus 3 and C minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. So 3 points are given like this. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. Coming to this question, condition is given directly. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. Condition directly is said. So condition is given directly. Now we have to show that the equation of locus of point P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. So listen. So I already said whether he mentioned point P or he not mentioned point P. We always take let P x comma y be any point on locus. క్వశ్చన్ లో పాయింట్ పి అని మెన్షన్ చేసినా చేయకపోయినా మనం ఇప్పుడు పాయింట్ పి ఎక్స్ కామా వై ఈజ్ ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ లోకస్. ఫర్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 1 మార్క్. ఈ సెంటెన్స్ రాసినందుకు 1 మార్క్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ రైటింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ గివెన్ పాయింట్స్. ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ రాసిన తర్వాత ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్స్ నోట్ చేయాలి. సో గివెన్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ క్యాపిటల్ A 1, 2 and B 2, -3 and last point is C -2, 3. So after writing given points we have to write condition. So given points note chesina condition note cheyali. So generally condition words lo istadu. In this particular question it gave directly. So condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. Now tell me PA square. Point P is there, A is there. Distance formula. Generally PA means distance between P and A. Here PA square. So no need to write square root. Tell me x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Next PB square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus of -3. Y minus of -3 means y plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 into PC square. Point P is there and C is there. So x minus of -2. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Expand now. X minus 1 whole square. X square minus 2x plus 1. By using a minus b whole square, it is very easy. A minus b whole square formula use cheste a square minus 2ab plus b square. A place lo x undi, b place lo 1. So by using a minus b whole square, x minus 1 whole square, we can easily expand. Similarly, y minus 2 whole square. So y square minus 4y plus 4. Next, x minus 2 whole square. X square minus 2 into x into 2 minus 4x 2 square 4 plus y plus 3 whole square. So y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 2 into expand x plus 2 whole square. X square plus 4x plus 4 y minus 3 whole square. Y square minus 6y plus 9. I already told only 4 formulas: distance between 2 points and a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Next continuation. X square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square minus 2x minus 4x minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 4y plus 6y. So 6y minus 4y plus 2y. Now constants: 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18. So order: first x square terms rastam, after that y square terms, next x terms, y terms, at last constants. This is the order. So x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square. Next x terms: minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 4y plus 6y plus 2y. Last lo constants is equal to, now 2 to multiply change. Now multiply with 2. 2 into x square 2x square, 2 into 4x 8x, 2 into 4 8. Next 2 into y square 2y square, 2 into minus 6y minus 12y, 2 into 9 18. So now we can cancel 2x square on both sides. In other words, plus 2x square, bring it to left hand side. 2x square ni left hand side తీసుకురండి. Minus 2x square plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel, or you can directly cancel like this. Next 2y square is in left hand side and 2y square is in right hand side also. So we can cancel directly. Next plus 18 plus 18. Now check x term. So it is minus 6x and it is plus 8x. So here x coefficient is negative. So minus 6x, send it to RHS. Here x coefficient negative. But here x coefficient is positive. So minus 6x ni right hand side పంపించండి. Minus 6x, send it to right hand side. So first of all, I am writing the three terms which are in right hand side. 8x minus 12y plus 8. Now minus 6x, send it to right hand side. Minus 6x in the right hand side పంపించండి. Plus 6x plus 2y, send it to right hand side. What happens? It becomes minus 2y. Minus 6x right hand side పంపిస్తే plus 6x plus 2y right hand side పంపిస్తే minus 2y. Signs change అవుతాయి. Therefore 8x plus 6x 14x minus 12y minus 2y minus 14y constant plus 8 equal to 0. So all are divisible by 2 or not? Direct గా 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. So both sides divide with 2, or in other words take 2 common. Okay, so divide with 2. So 14x by 2, how much? 7x minus 14y by 2 minus 7y plus 8 by 2, how much? 4 is equal to 0 by anything? 0. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of locus of point P.